Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful Pinecones crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video friends. So my first idea is very reverse. Beautiful. So friends, let's start the review. My first idea is Pinecone bird feeder. Take one pinecone, tie a strip on top. Now spread peanut butter all over it. Roll it in the bird seed. Hang it on a tree. Birds will come and enjoy. So easy and so fun. Next idea is Weaver's Pinecone Christmas tree. So friends, let's make a cute Pinecone Christmas tree. Take pincones and paint it green. Now add small beads like ornaments. Put a star on top. Your mini Christmas tree is very perfect for table decoration. So weavers, pincones get a holder. So friends, take a big pinecone, place a small candles in the center, add glue if needed, decorate with the leaves or glitter. Now you have a cozy candle holder, pinecone animal craft. And friends, so viewers, I hope you enjoy my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more